Looking for easy ways to make extra money? Welcome to an era where having one source of income may not be enough. You might have heard the term side hustle thrown around, but what does it mean? Simply put, a side hustle is an entrepreneurial activity outside your regular job that brings in extra income. They're flexible, adaptable, and can transform your financial situation. They're not just about money, though. They're about securing your future. Stay tuned to find out about 10 easy side hustles you can start today. First on our list is freelancing. This side hustle offers a world of flexibility, allowing you to choose when and where you work. It's like being your own boss, but with less risk. You can offer your services on popular platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where there's a vast range of opportunities spanning from graphic design to writing. So if you have a marketable skill, freelancing can be an excellent way to monetize it. Freelancing can be a great way to use your skills to your advantage. Next up, we have online tutoring. A thriving industry, online tutoring is growing exponentially. With education making a significant shift to the digital realm, the demand for online tutors has skyrocketed. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com have made it easier than ever to connect with students worldwide. It's a flexible side gig that can be as rewarding as it is profitable. You're not just earning, you're also contributing to someone's learning journey. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and earn from it? Third on our list is selling handmade products. Imagine transforming your crafting passion into a profitable venture. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for showcasing your unique handmade products to a global audience. From jewelry to knitwear, home decor to art, the possibilities are endless. The beauty of this side hustle? It's the joy of creating, paired with the thrill of selling. You're not just making money, you're sharing a piece of yourself with the world. Remember, your creativity could be your ticket to extra income. Fourth, we have dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a dropshipping store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and gets it shipped directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to set up, and the startup costs are minimal. You're essentially acting as a middleman, without the hassle of inventory or shipping. Dropshipping can be a great way to enter the e-commerce space without a huge investment. Fifth on our list is affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to generate passive income. Here's how it works. You promote a product or service on your online platform and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Popular programs like Amazon Associates make it simple to get started. You can share links to products you love, and when someone makes a purchase, you get a cut. Remember, the key is to promote products that align with your audience's interests. Affiliate marketing can help you earn money while you sleep. Next up, we have renting out your space. Imagine making money from that spare bedroom or empty garage. It's possible by renting out your unused spaces. Platforms like Airbnb have made it incredibly easy to connect with people looking for a short-term stay. You set the rules, the prices, and the availability. It's your space after all. And with the right touch, you could turn your idle space into a thriving side business. Your unused space could be a gold mine waiting to be tapped. Seventh on our list is pet sitting. This is a fantastic way to earn some extra cash, especially if you're an animal lover. From walking dogs to feeding cats, pet sitting can be both fun and rewarding. Plus, there are platforms out there, like Rover and Wag, that can help you get started. They connect pet owners with reliable pet sitters, making it easier to find opportunities in your area. If you love animals, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Eighth, we have the virtual assistant gig. In this digital era, you can leverage your organizational skills to help others and earn some extra cash. A virtual assistant's role ranges from managing emails and schedules to even running social media accounts. Platforms like Zirtual are great for connecting with potential clients. So if you're good at juggling tasks and keeping things in order, this side hustle is just right for you. Help others stay organized while you earn extra cash. Ninth on our list is stock photography. If you've got a knack for capturing the perfect shot, this could be your chance to cash in. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock offer platforms where photographers can sell their work. From breathtaking landscapes to the simple beauty of everyday life, the world is your canvas. It's a flexible side hustle that allows you to explore your creativity while potentially earning some extra cash. Turn your passion for photography into a profitable venture. Last but not least, we have blogging. This side hustle is all about sharing your unique perspective with the world. Whether it's fashion, tech, or food, there's an audience for everything. But remember, consistency is key. Regularly updating your blog with quality content will keep your readers engaged and coming back for more. And the great part? You can monetize your blog through ads, sponsored content, or even creating your own products. Share your thoughts with the world and earn money doing it. There you have it, 10 easy side hustles you can start today. We've journeyed through freelancing, online tutoring, selling handmade products, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, renting out your space, pet sitting, being a virtual assistant, stock photography to blogging. Each one opens a unique avenue for you to explore, so why not dive in? Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below on which side hustle you're going to try out. Thanks for watching.